Today we are doing another Pop Mart unboxing. We have Labubu, which is a very popular character by Pop Mart. And Labubu is a character in a series called The Monsters by Hong Kong-born artist Kasing Lung. The character is inspired by Nordic fairy tales, but Labubu herself is an elf. The reason they're so popular is because Lisa from Blackpink posted a story with a giant Labubu and another one as her back charm, and the world went crazy. If you know, you know, these have been out of stock for so long, but Fat and I were able to get a few boxes. So we have the version 1 and the version 2. We're gonna start with version 1 since it's the first one that came out. This is the series for the tasty macaron. These are very cute looking. So the one I really want is honestly any of them. I'm not a huge fan of the green or pink, but I would like sesame bean or sea salt coconut, which is that guy. Packaging looks very cute. I'll bring it up. What color is it, guys? Ooh, it's soft. Well, we got lychee berry. Remy. Yeah, it looks kind of like Remy. Do you guys agree? It is very soft fur with a vinyl face, and it is a golden pendant chain at the top with Pop Mart branding on the back and the monsters on the front. And this is her card, Lychee Berry, that is her name. Aw, he matches your shirt. Well, guys, we got the two colors we didn't want the most, but I don't hate them. Oh, by the way, this one is named Green Grape. This is his card. And this is Mr. Green Grape. They look like Cosmo and Wanda, honestly. So the Have a Seat series is the newest set that they just released. But the one I really want in this one is Baba. He's the one in the middle that has his eyes open at the bottom. Again, I'm happy with any of these. Green. It's the green one. Green? Yeah, I think this one's called QQ or Cuckoo. I think this one, their heads turn all the way around. The color is actually more vibrant than this green one down here. So this is called Have a Seat because they sit. And the difference, one of the differences is the chain at the top is the same color as the Labubu itself. Here is the card. It is very different than the other one.
I want Baba.
The one with the eyes open.
Baba is my favorite.
The one on the box.
Feel the color. We're just getting the same
We're
color.
just keep getting the same color, guys. This one is actually really cute. It's one of my favorites.
The one you wanted.
Yeah. This is Dada. Dada is very unique because she has heart eyes. And also, this is the two pinks with the two greens. So, you know, old and new, if you will. We might get dupes because we had to get these separately. It was just a very fast process. So, there could be dupes. Hopefully not. Fingers crossed. Oh, this one's actually cute. So he has their eyes closed. It's like smiling really hard. Oh, posable. Hands are posable. Asthma. We have our first dupe. She's cute. Well, it looks like Fat got a dupe. It's okay. I mean, overall, they're super, super cute and adorable. And if you don't know, this is how people have been displaying these all over their bags as charms. So yeah, I'm happy with them.